Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Bagherwal. Welcome to Salesforce Flow Builder series. In this video, I'm going to talk about scheduled flows. So, scheduled flows are the flows which runs on a specific time which you provide them to run. So, let's try with a scenario in which I have some contacts in my org and there is a field as reports to. So that is again a lookup of contact which is blank for me for all the records in my org. So I am going to schedule a flow and I'm going to update this reports to lookup for all the available contacts on a specific time. So let's start with that. So I'm going to create a new flow here. Type I'm going to select schedule triggered flow and we are gonna set the schedule at last. First I'm gonna choose the object that would be our contact object, and I'm not providing any condition because I would like to update all the contact records. And what I want to update, what I want to do is that would be a data update. So I'm selecting update records. Here I'm gonna provide update reports to on contacts. Okay, and here I'm gonna say use the ID, specify nothing, just use the contact record global variable, no conditions, and field value which I'm gonna select that would be reports to ID, and the ID I'm providing as this ID which would be NDM. Click done. Now let's save it. Update reports to on contacts. Click OK. Update reports to on contacts. Click save. Okay, there is one error. You said okay, we have not scheduled this flow. That's why it is giving me the error. So I'm gonna schedule it. So right now it is 17/1/1923. So let's set it for 1925. So that would be 7:25 p.m. and frequency would be once. Now let's save it again and let's activate it. So right now I'll just export it. So there is no value in the reports to ID field. By that time we have a minute, so let's debug it in rollback mode. Let's try to run it. So it is updating. Let me search for reports 2. So reports 2 is being updated. So that means the flow should be working fine. So rollback we have selected. So whatever changes have been made in debugging mode, that will be rolled back again. But we have provided the time for it to run on 7:25 p.m. It is 7:24 as of now. So let's wait for 7:25. So nothing has updated so far. Now it is 7:25. Let's wait for a minute for the flow to run and update the records. Let me export it. So as you can see, the records have been updated with this ID which I have used. So some records are not updated. There could be some problem with them, like some kind of validation was hitting, or something from trigger or some process, but most of the records have been updated, and that is why, because our flow has run successfully. So that's how you can configure a schedule flow to make some updates, or to make some updates on the related records, or directly on the records of a specific object. So you can use the schedule triggered flow there. So that was all about this video. If you find the content helpful, please like it and comment on it. If you have any queries and more, for more, please subscribe my channel as Abhishek Bagerwal. Thank you.